How is it going, everybody? So welcome to another brand new exciting live trading session for the channel. So if you are a beginner trader or you are a struggling trader, you are looking for how to be a profitable trader, you're looking for a system that will help you to be consistently profitable in the binary options market, then you want to watch this very video, because in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step guide on how to apply this very powerful strategy. This strategy has proven to be a very powerful strategy. It has helped me to scale my account from a very small amount to a very reasonable amount, as you can see over here, guys. So if you are the type of person who is still struggling, you need a system that is profitable, then watch this video. But for those of you who are already profitable, you may consider skipping this very video. That being said, this is all we do over here in the channel. We trade every day live. We explain everything about our strategy, so you can also learn and apply the same when you decide to trade. So if this sounds interesting to you, give this video a thumbs up so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in videos like this, guys. If you also want to continue to see our videos again in the future, then you want to also consider subscribing. So do that and make sure you turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions coming up in the future. That being said, let us get started. So as you can see, this is CAD CHF OTC, and this is the 1 minute time frame, as you can see over here, which means that every candle you see on this chart is a representative of 1 minute. So every candle you see here is 1 minute. So that being said, the next thing we want to do is to try to identify the trend, and then we want to try to identify our key levels to see how we can potentially enter a trade in this type of market condition. And we are going to be doing this through the help of price action. We are not using any indicator or any of this bullshit. We are using pure price action. So I know you are going to be interested in stuff like this. So if you are excited, give this a thumbs up right now. So the first thing we want to do is to identify the trend. Looking at this market, you can see that this is a range, because we cannot tell exactly what is happening with this market. The market is more like a range because we don't have a clear movement of the price. The price is bouncing around multiple areas. So we used to have a strong downtrend here, and then the price reversed from this level, came down or came up the way up, and then started to reverse back again, and then it moved down again, and now we are having the buyer stepping in. So it's more like a very confusing price structure. We don't know the direction of this very trend. Now, if you are having this type of market condition, you may want to consider trading at key levels, which means you are going to be trading at support and resistance. So in this market condition, we are going to be looking at the previous resistance level, because now we're having that the buyers are stepping in and the price is moving very sharply, which means that very soon we are going to be experiencing the seller stepping in again and moving the price downward, because we have experienced that multiple times in the past. It happened here, it happened here, it also happened here, as you can see. So we are going to be looking at the next resistance level. That is where we are going to be waiting for the buyers, the sellers to step in, and then we are going to be joining them. That being said, the next thing we want to do is to draw key levels, identifying the next stop of the market. So we can use this very level. As you can see, this is the next obvious resistance level, and it is a very strong level. You can see that the price has reversed from here, and we can also see that this is also a very strong level, because this has also served as a support in the past, and it has worked twice as resistance, multiple times as resistance. So we want to trust this level. If the price comes to this level, we are going to join the sellers, because we are very sure that the price may eventually go down in favor of the sellers if the price or hits this very level in the future. So this is going to be everything about the very trading setup. So the next thing we want to wait for is to wait for the price to hit this level. I think we are already missing out on this already. The price nearly hit this level, but let's see if the price may eventually reverse again and touch this level. Then we are going to be entering the trade. We should have entered the trade on this very candle, but let's see. If we miss out on this, we are going to wait for something else in the future. If we have the chance, of course, we are going to be trading it. So let's wait. So there you have it, guys. We have entered our trade. So we're going to wait for the next 5 minutes to see what happens with this very beautiful trade. And then we are going to explain everything about this very strategy, why I have placed my trade, and everything you need to know to be able to also apply this same strategy in your day-to-day trading to be able to make profit from this very market, guys. The support and resistance level are key levels when it comes to trading. You should always understand that those are the areas where the buyers are strong, the sellers are strong as well. So as you can see, we have placed our trade at a very strong resistance level, which has proven to be a strong level in the past. We can confirm that by what we have seen over here in the past, and this has also served as a support, and it has also served as resistance in a few other cases. We try to see what happens with this very trade, and then we're going to explain why I took this trade again, just so you can understand and also apply the same. If you're also interested to know that we do give away a lot of signals in our Telegram channel, so if you are yet to subscribe to this Telegram channel, you want to consider doing that. Why this trade is running, just check the link below or in the description of this video. You are going to find the link to this Telegram channel. All you have to do is just join this Telegram channel, and every day we give away a lot of beautiful signals. A lot of people are constantly making profit from all these beautiful signals we give out every day. A lot of you guys have now turned this into a passive way of making money, and this is all we have been doing. This is all we plan to continue to do over a long period of time. We want to be giving out these beautiful signals so that you can also make profit while we make profit. It is something that you can do if you already have a job, or you are a very busy person. You have no time to analyze the market and place trade by yourselves. So you want to use this opportunity to be able to make passive income, because we do all the hard job. We do on the analysis. All we have to do is just we give out the signal, and you just enter the trade at the time that we specify that you enter the trade, and that's pretty much everything you need to do. And you just make money with us while we also make money in the market trading binary options. So consider doing that. Subscribe now, join the Telegram channel now, and let's make money together, guys. That being said, it will also interest you to know that, like I've always preached over here on this channel, the only way to profitably trade binary options market, the forex market, crypto market, whichever market you are interested in trading, is through the help of price action. Every other thing you've learned, every other thing you have been told is a complete bullshit. Doesn't work. Indicators doesn't work. Robot doesn't work. You have to learn how to trade proper price action, and that's pretty much what I believe in. That's what has worked for me over the period of time I've been trading in the financial market, and I recommend it for you. I recommend it for everybody. Instead of wasting your time depending on indicator that doesn't work, consider learning how to trade proper price action by using the real data that you find on the chart to enter your trade. This is the only way you are going to be confident in yourself when you trade and then make profit from the market, guys. The indicator doesn't work. Robot doesn't work. I mean, they don't work. They don't work on the long run. And I have a lot of data to be able to back that up, right? So life. One thing about life is that we learn from our mistakes, and when you do depend on indicators, if you win a trade, you cannot tell why and how you won that trade, right? You cannot tell how you did that, so you don't know what to double down on to be able to make more profit. Now, if you lose a trade, on the other hand, you do not know what you did wrong that made you lose that trade. So that way, you cannot know what to avoid in the future to be able to avoid such losses. So this is why you do not need to be trading with this stuff. They don't work. You need to focus on a trading strategy that actually work, and applying and depending on price action is one thing that I can assure you that can make you profitable trading binary options market. So you want to consider that you want to join we have already won this trade. You want to join our mentorship program that's currently running, so we can teach you how to profitably trade binary options market through the help of price action. That way you can double down and actually know what works and what you can double down on. So consider doing that. Join the Telegram channel, also contact us directly, and we will show you how to join this mentorship program so that you can practically know how to trade the binary options market. That being said, let us explain why we took this very beautiful trade. So as you can see, through the help of price action, we are able to tell areas that are going to be the next seller zone. The areas that are going to be the next seller zone, we are able to tell that through the help of price action, and we did that by identifying key resistance level, because we are looking for the areas where the sellers will potentially enter into the market, because we had the buyers stepping in for a very long time, and we want to wait to see the short time that the buyers will be weak and the sellers can step in. That way we'll be able to join them for a little while, because that's what binary options is about. It's not like forex, when you take trade and you wait for hours. In the binary options market, we wait for opportunity to join the winning side for a very short period of time. In this market, we just place a trade around that run for a period of 5 minutes, and we were able to make some reasonable amount of money. So I mean, this is what I think that you should do, right? So when I came into this chart, I understand that the price were kind of in a range, because we weren't we couldn't tell the direction of the overall trend. We saw that the buyers will step in for a while, the sellers will step in for a while, and that has been what we are happening. That has been happening for a period of time. And then another thing that I noticed over while we were waiting for this trade is that I found out that this level looked like a double bottom pattern, because now you can see that this is a previous low and this is also equal to this previous low. So I can tell now that the buyers will be stronger in this kind of market, because this is a failed attempt for the sellers to continue to move the trend in this very market until the buyers have stepped in, created this new equal low, which is equal to this very one. So now it's a sign that the buyers are stronger, and we need to be seeing strong entry from the buyers. I was able to tell that with the course of waiting for this very trade to finish. So how we took this trade was pretty simple. We needed to wait for the strong resistance level, since we wanted to join the sellers for a while. So through the help of this resistance, this horizontal level, we are able to spot this previous resistance level, you can see, and this has also served as a support over here also in the past. So that was why we trusted this level to potentially reverse the market for a period of 5 minutes in the future. And when we had the price came all the way up and tested the level, we took the trade immediately on this very candle, and we ended up winning this very trade. So depending on support levels, depending on resistance level, is more effective than depending on indicators. So I mean, it has proven to work, and it does work. So whatever anybody have told you about this robot and indicators, I mean, you should just scrap that, unlearn that, and focus on how you can trade using support level and resistance level, and doing more with trying to use your trend lines to spot trends and use them to potentially enter trade. So I hope you've learned something with this, and you can apply the same when you decide to trade. So if you find value in this type of content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to do so, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions coming up in the future, guys. On this note, I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you watch the next video, and I'll see you all on the next one.